Welcome back. Now, as an addendum, one of the things you'll note about the difference between the free version and the Canva Pro version is that when you're using Magic Write, you will have limits on the number that you can actually do. And you'll see those limits here in this free account that we are using. Now, when you are using Canva Docs, you can embed an existing design into your Canva doc. For example, let's assume that we are using this presentation design that we have already done, and we click inside of this design. What we're going to do here is we're going to get the link. We're going to take the link from here. We're going to copy the link. We copy this link. We're going to head back to our Canva doc. We're going to go back to this home page. What we're then going to do is we're going to find our existing design. We go to design, we're going to click Control V. And when we click Control V, we're going to see our presentation. Now, another way to get an existing design into our doc is to share it to a specific folder. What we can do is go to the Share button. We can then go to this area. We can then save it to a specific folder that we already have inside of our projects. Once we do that, we can then move the document to that area. Once we are back inside of our document, we can then look inside of our folders and our projects. We can then add the document that we already have to our document. And we'll then see our document added to this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.